Feel the music coming, feeling the flow of growing, feeling it stepping out, feeling the motion from the heart to the soul, from the head to the toes, through all universal windows, through all time and space. We drop these words for all of the human race and all of our family, through all the different star races, through all the different timelines, past, present, future, parallel. All is divine, all is aligned as one. Law of one, hear it all, within and throughout all that you are, from the fall to the now, as we resurrect all inorganic and artificial patterns back to the organic, living like code so that all may find their way back home. True sovereign king stepping up, reclaiming his throne, crown, scepter and sphere, coming with the heat so hot, elementals united as one family, within and throughout. Earth, air, fire, air, spirit, aether, united as one. Moving forward, creation, harmonics, light and sound, pure heart expression. Sovereign king reclaiming his throne. Magi cries, Magi Grail crowns restored. Magi Grail lines, king stepping up. It is that time, so divine. Hearts united as one. Get ready for a party and so much fun. This is the time, this is what we waited for. Turning our planet into a major festival of healing, of awakening, of unity, of bliss, of joy, of grace, of friendship. All that we are, genetic codes fully restored, rod and staff codes anchored, unified once more, mana codes unified with the yana, mana, everlasting life. Within and throughout all that we are, here to the stars, crystal star, anchor within our hearts. Rainbow diamond embodiment, Orapheme, resurrection, seraphim, resurrection, all our family resurrecting. Huge blessing, sovereign king has returned, king of peace, king of love, king of righteousness is gonna flow, gonna restructure, reorder, bring everything back into divine order. Take your free will, align with divine will, and watch what will just build from your creative overflow. Everybody's waiting, everybody knows, and it's just time for you to wake up. It's just time to let yourself flow. Step up, sovereign kings and queens. The time is here for you to rule as a sovereign being. Example, embodiment, what freedom truly is for all. Freedom for all, no longer the fall. Turning around, we've learned the lessons. We're done with this game, we're done with the ground crew being slaughtered, pushed aside, divided. It's time for us to unite, to bring a light, to bring a love that's so strong, that's so bright. A fire that will burn, that will never go down. This fire spreading all around our earth, all around. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the tone through your blood, through your skin, through your cells, through your mitochondria? Axiatonal lines, chakras, meridians, nadis, get all your body systems aligned. Upgrade, encrypt, Christic, Crystalla, Aurora, Elemental, re-equipped. All body, all cells, all stations of identity, as we learn to unite with all that we are for eternity, Mic unplugged, voice shut down, voice suppressed, voice repressed, not anymore. Old world, it's time for the new, it's time for the flow, it's time for the words to show you what is going on within and throughout all that you are, all that we are. Voice was gone once before and now it's back. Now it's coming in a way that's a little bit unique, that hasn't really been dropped in a way for any timeline for anybody to hear or to say. For what has been repeated is nothing more than a play, a script, a storyline today to try to distract you from who you really are and what's happening in all ways, shapes and forms. Here we are once more, our family fully restored, anchoring crystal star. Do you remember who you really are? It's gone so far, it's like a dream, but the dream is ending and it's time to be seen. Listen to who you really are. Listen to what comes from you through your heart. You're a genius, your intelligence is infinite. They've tried to make you think that you are less than that. Who you really are and have always been has been suppressed and oppressed and repressed for so many lifetimes. Try to get you to remember to fear all that you are, and it is time for you to stand up and say, Rainbow Diamond Embodiment is here today, and I'm here to say that I am standing for the love and eternal life in all ways. Eternal life, eternal light, the living organic light coming back for a fight. All that has distracted, all that has separated, all that has disintegrated and distorted our true nature is being dissolved away, cleared away, transit out today through the transharmonic gateways, allowing all that we truly are to flow through the net systems that have disconnected us from our true flow, from our true home. 12 tree grid massacred, drop down to 10 and then get stuck again in the net systems, continuously recycling. Forget, you forgot. I say not ever again. It's time to remember what you're here to do. Play in a game that has been taken advantage of, that has tried to be twisted in a way that takes away from the true intention of all that we have came to do and say. It came to help liberate all family, all kingdoms. It's time to unite as one, for the war that we have fought is now over and there's a new one. The last one, the final one, inside of you, inside of us, inside of all that we are and have always been. It's time to see, it's time to play. Are you ready to step out, and are you ready to radiate the light of all that you are? Every cell illuminate like the sun, for we dissolve shadows, for we are all one. Living light, the eternal crystallic code that flows within and throughout all that we are, all that we have ever known, for we choose unity above all others and all.